Here is Learn English Up, where your English levels up. Real-life English conversations. Airport.
Hey, I'm Max. Today, I am flying to a foreign country for the first time. I want to take you with me on this journey so you can learn English conversations used at the airport. Let's go together. I arrive at the airport early and go to the check-in counter.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good morning. I'm good, thank you. A little excited, actually. It's my first international flight.
Oh, that's great. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Canada.
Nice choice. May I see your passport, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you have any luggage to check in?
Yes, I have one suitcase.
Please put your suitcase on the scale.
Okay. I hope it's not overweight.
Don't worry, you're lucky today. It's just under the limit.
Oh, great. That's a relief.
Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
I'd like a window seat, please. I want to see the clouds.
Good choice. Window seats are popular today.
That's fine. I'm happy I got one.
All right, here is your boarding pass. Your seat number is 18A.
Perfect. What time does boarding start?
Boarding starts at 9:30 a.m. Please be at the gate at least 30 minutes early.
Got it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your flight and have a wonderful trip.
Thank you. Have a great day. Now I have my boarding pass. I go to the security checkpoint and stand in a line. When it's my turn, I step forward.
Hello, boarding pass and passport, please.
Hello, here you are.
Thank you. Please place all your belongings in the tray.
Okay,
Please remove your laptop and place it in a separate tray.
sure.
Any liquids? They must be in a clear plastic bag.
Yes, I have a small bottle of hand sanitizer and some toiletries. They're all under 100 milliliters.
That's fine. Please place the liquids bag in the tray as well.
All right.
Please remove your jacket, belt, and watch.
Okay.
You may also need to remove your shoes, please.
No problem.
Please push the trays forward onto the belt.
Done.
Now please step forward and walk through the scanner when the light turns green.
Okay.
Please stand still and raise your arms.
Like this?
Yes, that's perfect. All right, you're clear.
Great.
You may collect your belongings from the other side.
Thank you. Now I walk to my gate and wait for boarding. Soon, the airline staff starts boarding the plane.
Hello, may I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. I'll scan your boarding pass now. All right, everything looks good. Before you board, could you please place your carry-on bag in the size checker? We just need to make sure it's suitable for the cabin.
Sure, no problem.
Thank you. Yes, that fits perfectly. Your bag is within the allowed size for cabin luggage.
Great.
Please make sure you keep your boarding pass with you until you enter the aircraft. You may be asked to show it again.
Okay, I will.
You can proceed to the aircraft now. Just follow the jet bridge.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Now I go on the plane. A flight attendant greets me.
Hello. Welcome aboard.
Hello, thank you.
May I see your boarding pass, please?
Yes, here you are.
Thank you. Your seat is 18A, on the left side by the window. Please go straight and turn left.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, please make sure your carry-on bag is placed either under the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin.
Yes, I'll place it in the overhead bin.
That's perfect. Would you like any help storing your luggage?
No, I'm fine, thank you.
All right. If you need anything during the flight, just let us know.
I will, thanks a lot. The plane lands safely. I follow the signs and stand in line for passport control. When it's my turn, I step forward.
Good afternoon. May I see your passport, please?
Good afternoon. Yes, here you are.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism.
How long do you plan to stay in the country?
I plan to stay for 2 weeks.
Where would you be staying during your visit?
I'll be staying at a hotel in the city center.
Do you have a hotel reservation?
Yes, I do. I have a confirmed booking.
Are you traveling alone or with someone?
I'm traveling alone.
Is this your first time visiting our country?
Yes, it's my first time here.
Do you have a return ticket or onward travel booked?
Yes, I have a return ticket for 2 weeks from now.
What places do you plan to visit while you're here?
I plan to visit some museums, historical places, and local markets.
How much money are you carrying with you today?
I have a credit card and some cash.
Are you bringing any food, plants, or restricted items into the country?
No, I'm not.
Have you visited this country before?
No, I haven't.
All right. Now place your fingers on the scanner, please.
Okay.
Thank you. Everything is in order. Enjoy your stay and have a nice trip.
Thank you very much.
I go to the baggage claim area and pick up my suitcase. Then I go to the customs office to declare some goods. I chose the items to declare line.
Good afternoon. Do you have anything to declare?
Good afternoon. Yes, I do. I have a few items to declare.
All right. What items are you declaring?
I'm carrying a small amount of medicine and gifts for friends.
Are you carrying any fresh food, meat, or dairy products?
No, I'm not.
Okay. What kind of medicine are you carrying?
I have some basic painkillers and allergy medicine. They are for personal use, and I have the prescriptions with me.
May I see the prescriptions, please?
Yes, of course. Here they are.
Thank you. How many gifts are you bringing in, and what is their total value?
I have 3 small gifts. The total value is about $200.
Are any of the gifts alcohol, tobacco, or electronic devices?
No alcohol or tobacco. One of the gifts is a small electronic gadget.
Is it new or used?
It's new, still in the box.
All right. Please place your suitcase on the table so I can take a quick look.
Sure.
Everything looks fine. You're within the allowed limits. Next time, remember to always declare items like food, medicine, and electronics.
Yes, I understand.
All right, you're all set. Welcome and enjoy your stay.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
And that's the full airport journey, from check-in to customs. Now you know what happens at the airport and the English you need at every step of the way. If you want to learn English for other real-life topics too, like hotels, restaurants, or daily conversations, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.